Good afternoon. My name is Ana Milena. I am 34 years old. I am Colombia. I live in the city Medellin. I live in the Aranjuez neighborhood. Why my name I met I am Regine. I am dear semester. My family for why my Stepfather name Porfirio. My mother name Luceli. I sister name Lina. And my brother names Daniel. I like listen to music, reviews, watch TV, cook, sort the internet, do my homework, university I like. Go to the park with my friends, go shopping. At the mall, do the movies, having a picnic with the family. I don't like all the night. I don't like figs. I don't like crowded place. I don't like smoking a record. Always last year I went in Buga. I went with my sister and some friends. We traveled one place. I was on a pilgrimage pageant, a promise we sent in Buga. Buga is municipality located in the center the Valle del Cauca department. The weather was Hawaii high temperatures. We often toured the municipality, then we do the city of Pereira. We were religious hours and the afternoon high. We do just some cool for the heat and do visit some hour call for cafeterias. In December, I plan to go on a trip to Cartagena with my family. We aren't thinking how go to visit the Castillo San Felipe. We will go to the Rosario, which is a night week thinking how go to have. We're thinking of it and coconuts. We will visit the tourist side of the city.